see, you have to realize, and I hope everybody realizes, that any kind of action being taken by administration in regards to food safety is for the safety of the citizens themselves. We have to realize that the chemicals that have been found in some of the fish that has been sold, where chemicals like formalin were found. Formalin is a chemical that is used to preserve dead bodies and is highly cancerous and very, very dangerous for human consumption. This should not be there in the fish. And hence, obviously, we understand that supply of fish and other materials and food items is necessary for the state. But the safety and the security and the health of our citizens comes priority to us. And hence, we urge that while we are figuring out how to minimize this entire thing, this is a step that was being taken because of a conscious decision being made by the government to ensure that the safety of the citizens is kept, the health is kept as priority. We're having a lot of cases of cancer, as you're aware, in the state, and hence, as a step towards that, all aspects of what could affect the health of the citizens is being taken. There's a lot to be done, but as I said, this is not being done for any other purpose to stop the supply or anything like that from outside. We are obviously all concerned about it, and we would like the supply to be normalized, but it will not come at the cost of the safety and health of our citizens.
So the ban will continue, sir?
Well, we will see. We'll just study the situation. I'm not up to date aware about what the current status is, but the health department is looking into the entire matter. But we will try to resolve it at the earliest.